Okay, so other examples of ASAP modules and classes and objects and whatever is there, you can find on our GitHub, the Scalable ASAP in folder examples. So, and here you can see like what is being used, like the metrics that I not like directly stated. A MOM, which is like a message-oriented mechanism that can be connected to Rabbit and send and receive messages via Rabbit. So it's like important things in some cases where you have like too many requests and you cannot use HTTP for some reason. Persistent dictionary, it means that it is being stored like there are some like persistent variables that you can store in a dictionary, and then like on some in some folder that you specified, like the default folder is in user profile folder, so you can then reuse the variables when you run the application again. So it's like these are persistently stored on the disk. PubSub I already mentioned. Here's some storage. Not sure for what it is. This for. Yeah, but you can also use some file database, and web server timer. Timer is this. What does this tick? Then you can like have your own timers to do some like periodic operations. Executor. This is an important thing when you have a long running tasks and you want to run it outside of the asynchronous world. You run it in a separate thread, like threaded. So you can use it in this way. Argument parser, which is like this C4 config, and you can use other like parsing values like input, output, whatever, and metrics that I like mentioned. Like this, here is this counter that you can use to count, for example, a successful, unsuccessful events, and so on. So probably you can try to look into these examples and see like if you understand it.
No.
Okay.
Okay. What's the web app folder?
Web app folder is for if you want to use this web service module to serve a front end application. It will just serve index HTML and like other things. You can, for example, build it via React. You create a React application, then you build it to HTML and JavaScript, and you can serve it via this web server. And like you pull the built in this folder and then serve it.
Interesting.
So it can be used in this way as well.
Okay.
Okay.